Today we are unboxing the Casio G-Shock GA-110PKM-7AER, a special limited edition collaboration celebrating 30 years of Pokémon. The unboxing starts with a beautiful white presentation box, decorated with gold Pokémon artwork. Inside, you find the exclusive Pokeball packaging, which makes this release feel like a true collector's item. The combination of the elegant outer box and the playful Pokeball design makes the unboxing experience feel even more special. Beyond its collectible design, this is still a genuine G-Shock built for everyday use. It is shock resistant, magnetic resistant, and water resistant up to 200 meters. The watch has a durable resin case and strap, mineral glass, and an estimated battery life of approximately 2 years. Despite its large and bold design, it weighs only 72 grams, making it surprisingly comfortable to wear. On the back, you will find a special Pokémon anniversary engraving. The unique dial features colorful details inspired by the original Pokémon games, including a Pokeball design and a hidden Pikachu detail. The strap is covered with Pokémon artwork from different generations, giving the watch a playful, nostalgic, and instantly recognizable look. And the best part is the price. At only €239, it is surprisingly affordable for such an exclusive Pokémon collector's watch. Would you buy this watch?